Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to basically be a YouTuber off an iOS device. So before we get into that, make sure to go down there, like and subscribe. It only takes a few seconds out of your day, and you can unsubscribe if I'm not up to your standard. Anyway, let's get into the video. So first thing guys is I'm going to be showing you how to screen record. Now this is really handy because you can screen record anything on your screen. You can like move about, and then you can just click on the video you want to upload and then click upload to YouTube, and then you make the titles and everything from there. And yeah, let's show you how to do it. So you see where your percent tab is. You want to scroll down from there, and you see the red glowing button. You just hold that down. Click microphone on or off, depending whether you want it on or off, and then you click start recording. Now I can't really do that because of, start and stop recording, it wouldn't really record. Anyway guys, that is how you screen record. Now let's get into how you use YouTube to record. So guys, you're on your normal phone page. It's not desktop, it's iPhone or Android or anything. iOS, and you're just moving around, scrolling, looking for stuff. Well, you see this the search button. Yeah, you don't want to click that. You want to go to the camera to the left of it. So click on the camera, and then here it says record or go live. Now, what you want to do is click either record or go live, and these will be from your camera. Like if you click record, you can pick the title or anything. If you click go live, you again pick the title or anything, but you're filming what's happening around you. So you can set up a camera, it might have alright quality. So guys, you can start a YouTube channel off iOS. So yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope it helped you out. But again, please go down there, like and subscribe. It only takes 2 seconds out of your day, and it'll give you 10 years of good luck. And you can always unsubscribe if you don't want those 10 years of good luck. So that was how to create a YouTube channel just off a mobile device. And guys, it really does show anyone can do these things. Anyone can do this type of video. And it really just helps people out. So yeah guys, I'll see you in the next one.